Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will discuss this important question, square root 216 raised to power 2 by 3, 25 raised to power 1 by 2 and divided by 0.04 raised to power minus 3 by 2 and whole square root. Question, student, this is very most important long question. Simplify this question. So, firstly, in this type of a question, if the power of any number is negative, change into positive and also factorize all different terms. Okay. So, first and all 216, convert this 216 into different factors, prime factors, which is 2 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 3 and 2 by 3 the whole power. Next, similarly 25, it becomes 5 square and whole power 1 by 2. Here 0.04 raised to power minus 3 by 2. Remove the decimal, so it becomes decimal in denominator is 1 and there are the 2 digits after in decimal part, it becomes 2 zeros. This one. It becomes minus 3 over 2 and whole square root. This one. Next, the next step is open the bracket, two raised to power 3 multiply 2 by 3 and 3 raised to power 3 multiply 2 by 3 and here 5 2 multiply 1 by 2 and in denominator, student, see 4 over 100, 4 divided by 100, when 4 and 100 cancel with each other, it becomes 1 over 25 and raised to power minus 3 by 2 and whole square root. See 2 and 3, 3 and 3 cancel with each other such that and 3 cancel with this 3, 2 cancel with this 2. So, what is remaining portion? Here 2 square multiply 3 square and only 5 here. And in denominator, so see in denominator 1 over 25 and raised to power minus 3 by 2. I already said when the power is in negative, so take positive, take reciprocal. 1 over 25 it becomes simple 25 and power 3 by 2, positive 3 by 2. And in this form 25 becomes 5 square, so this 25 is also becomes 25 becomes 5 square. Numerator remains same and in denominator it becomes 5 square and power is 3 by 2. Similarly, this one 2 cancel with this 2 and next and remaining is 2 square 3 square multiply 5 and in denominator it becomes 5 cube this one. Okay, so 2 square, 3 square. So in this case 5 raised to power 3. So 1 5 cancel with this 3 and 2 remaining. 2 square, 3 square and 5 square and whole square root. So square, 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 all terms have the same power, so you can write in a whole square form, and whole square and square root cancel with each other, and then finally 2 multiply 3 over 5, and which is 6 over 5 is your final and simplified result. I hope so you understand this important question. If you have any problem, then you can mention in comments. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.